Are you tired of waiting months or even years for your investments to pay off? Imagine a strategy that delivers cash straight into your account every single week. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Today, I'll show you how to build a dividend portfolio that generates consistent weekly income, helping you cover everyday expenses like groceries, bills, or even just a night out, without touching your savings. The secret? Carefully chosen dividend stocks with staggered payout schedules, ensuring that at least one of them pays you every week. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to create this portfolio, but you'll also have the exact stock picks to get started, earning an average of $200 per week right from the start. Why settle for the old-school method of waiting 3 months for a single payout when you can create a reliable income stream every 7 days? If you've been looking for a way to make your investments work harder for you, this is it. Most investors settle for quarterly or annual dividends. But here's the thing. Your bills, groceries, and other essentials don't wait for quarterly payouts, do they? That's why creating a portfolio designed for weekly passive income isn't just smart. It's essential for predictable financial stability. Dividend investing is one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income, but it typically involves waiting months between payouts. However, with the right planning and stock selection, you can set up a portfolio that pays you every week. This approach transforms your investments into a steady income stream, offering more financial control and peace of mind. Here's the best part. This strategy doesn't just work for financial experts. With the step-by-step guide I'll provide in this video, anyone can create a reliable weekly income portfolio. From understanding payout schedules to selecting high-yield dividend stocks, you'll have all the tools you need to make it happen. And just to keep things real, I'm not going to throw around vague advice. We'll dive into specific examples of stocks chosen for their high yields, strong financial stability, and perfectly timed payout schedules. Plus, I'll explain exactly how you can start earning as soon as next week. Serious about investing? Then you need the right tools. TradingView gives you advanced charts, price alerts, and real-time data all in one place. Whether you're tracking ETFs, stocks, or crypto, stay ahead of the game. Check the link in the description. When it comes to managing your finances, consistency is key. That's what makes weekly passive income so revolutionary. It provides a predictable, steady stream of cash flow that aligns with the way you actually spend money. Think about it. Most people's expenses, like rent, utilities, groceries, or transportation, are weekly or monthly. Waiting 3 months for a dividend payout can create financial gaps that leave you feeling strapped for cash. By structuring your portfolio to pay dividends weekly, you eliminate these gaps and gain the ability to budget with confidence. But it's not just about convenience. Weekly payouts also provide psychological benefits. Imagine seeing regular deposits hit your account every 7 days. It's not just money. It's a reminder that your investments are actively working for you. This constant reinforcement can motivate you to stay disciplined, reinvest your income, and accelerate your wealth-building process. And let's not forget the power of reinvestment. Frequent payouts give you more opportunities to reinvest those dividends, compounding your returns at a faster rate. Instead of waiting for a quarterly or annual payout to buy additional shares, you can reinvest your weekly dividends almost immediately, making your money grow faster over time. There's also the added advantage of flexibility. Life is unpredictable, and having a steady cash flow means you can address unexpected expenses without having to dip into your savings or sell off other assets. Whether it's an emergency car repair, an unplanned trip, or simply treating yourself, weekly income gives you options without compromising your long-term goals. In short, weekly dividend income isn't just about making your portfolio more efficient. It's about giving yourself peace of mind and financial freedom. It's a strategy that works in real life, providing tangible results you can rely on. Next, I'll show you exactly how to pick the right dividend stocks to make this strategy a reality. From choosing high-yield stocks to ensuring their financial stability, you'll learn the keys to building a portfolio designed to pay you every week. Building a weekly income portfolio starts with choosing the right dividend stocks. But not all dividend stocks are created equal. To make this strategy work, you need a precise selection process that focuses on yield, stability, and diversification. Let's start with yield. Dividend yield measures the percentage of a company's stock price that it pays out as dividends annually. For this strategy, high-yield stocks are essential. They provide the substantial payouts needed to generate meaningful weekly income. However, don't chase yield blindly. A yield that's too high, say over 12%, can sometimes signal a company in financial trouble. Look for stocks with yields in the 5 to 10% range that balance attractive returns with sustainability. Speaking of sustainability, a high yield means nothing if the company can't maintain it. Look for companies with a proven track record of consistent or growing dividend payments. These are typically businesses with strong cash flows and low payout ratios. A payout ratio below 70% is ideal. It shows the company isn't stretching its earnings thin to pay dividends. Additionally, examine the company's financial health. Do they have manageable debt levels? Have they been profitable across multiple market conditions? Reliable dividend stocks are often in stable industries like utilities, real estate, or consumer goods. Relying on a single sector for income is risky. Industries like oil or real estate can face downturns that impact dividends. To avoid this, diversify your portfolio across sectors. For example, include a real estate investment trust, REIT, for consistent rental income. Add a pharmaceutical stock with steady growth potential. Mix in a business development company, BDC, for high-yield payouts. This kind of diversification ensures your portfolio isn't overly dependent on one industry and reduces the risk of a sector-wide slump. To get weekly payouts, timing matters just as much as the stocks themselves. Most dividend-paying companies follow a quarterly schedule, but their payout dates vary. By selecting stocks with staggered payment schedules, you can create a calendar where at least one stock pays out every week. For example, one stock might pay in the first week of January, another in the second, and so on. This strategic timing transforms traditional quarterly dividends into a reliable weekly income stream. Finally, consider the long-term growth of your portfolio. Some companies not only pay dividends, but also increase them annually. Known as dividend aristocrats, these companies have a track record of raising payouts for 25+ consecutive years. Adding these to your portfolio ensures your income keeps up with inflation over time. With these principles, high yield, financial stability, diversification, timing, and growth, you're ready to build a portfolio that pays you consistently. Want to invest globally without losing money on currency conversion? Wise gives you the real exchange rate with low fees, so more of your money goes into investments. Sign up today. Link in the description. Now that you know what to look for in dividend stocks, let's build a portfolio that generates weekly income. This approach isn't just about picking random stocks. It's about creating a system that delivers consistent payouts week after week. To create a robust weekly income portfolio, you'll need to allocate your capital strategically. Let's use an example of $120,000 as the total investment. With 12 dividend stocks in our portfolio, you'd invest $10,000 into each one. This even distribution minimizes risk and ensures that no single stock dominates your income stream. The cornerstone of this strategy is timing. Most dividend-paying companies follow a quarterly payout schedule, but their payment months vary. By choosing stocks with staggered payout dates, you can ensure that at least one company pays dividends every week. Here's an example breakdown. First week, a real estate-focused ETF like VanEck BDC Income ETF yield 11%. Second week, a financial services company like OneMain Holdings yield 9%. Third week, a pharmaceutical giant like Pfizer yield 5%. Fourth week, a high-yield telecommunications company like Cogent Communications yield 6%. With this structure, your portfolio is designed to cover all 4 weeks in a month. Multiply this system across different months, and you've achieved weekly income all year long. Let's break down the math. If you invest $10,000 in a stock with an 8% dividend yield, your annual payout would be $800. Since most stocks pay quarterly, that's $200 per payout. With 12 stocks paying on staggered schedules, you're effectively receiving $200 per week. Here's how it might look in a typical month. Week 1, $200 from stock A. Week 2, $200 from stock B. Week 3, $200 from stock C. Week 4, $200 from stock D. That's $800 in monthly income, or about $200 per week. Steady, reliable, and predictable. Building the portfolio is just the beginning. To maintain your weekly income, you'll need to monitor your stocks regularly. Watch for signs of financial instability, such as declining earnings or high payout ratios. If a company cuts its dividend, it's time to replace it with a more reliable option. Additionally, rebalancing your portfolio periodically ensures that no single stock becomes disproportionately weighted. For example, if one stock grows significantly in value, you might sell some shares and reinvest in another to maintain balance. If you don't need the income immediately, reinvesting your dividends can supercharge your portfolio's growth. Many brokerage platforms offer dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, that automatically buy more shares with your payouts. This approach compounds your returns over time, increasing both your income and your capital. By following these steps, you'll have a well-structured portfolio that generates passive income every single week. Now that your portfolio structure is planned, it's time to put the strategy into action. Buying the right stocks at the right time and managing your portfolio effectively are crucial for ensuring long-term success. Timing matters when buying dividend stocks. To receive the next payout, you must own shares before the ex-dividend date. This is the cutoff date a company uses to determine which shareholders qualify for the next dividend. Missing this date means you'll have to wait until the following payout. For example, let's look at Pfizer, PFE. If its ex-dividend date is set for January 10th, you would need to purchase the shares by January 9th to be eligible for the dividend. After purchasing, you'll receive the payout on Pfizer's scheduled payment date, typically a few weeks later. Planning your purchases around these dates ensures your portfolio starts generating income as soon as possible. Once your portfolio is active, regular monitoring is essential. Keep an eye on each company's financial health, earnings reports, and dividend history. If you notice signs of instability, such as declining earnings or increasing payout ratios, it may be time to replace that stock with a more reliable option. Using tools like stock tracking apps or your brokerage's performance dashboard can make this process simpler. Set alerts for news or financial updates related to your stocks to stay informed without being overwhelmed. Over time, some stocks in your portfolio may grow faster than others, creating an imbalance. For example, if one stock appreciates significantly, it might take up a larger percentage of your portfolio than intended. Rebalancing involves selling a portion of overrepresented stocks and reinvesting in others to maintain your diversification and risk levels. This process not only protects your income stream, but also ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your financial goals. Building a weekly income portfolio is not a set-it-and-forget-it approach. It requires ongoing attention and adjustments to keep your income stream reliable. Staying disciplined and following the steps outlined here will help you achieve consistent results. With your portfolio set up and managed properly, you'll enjoy the financial freedom that comes with reliable weekly income. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Check out my other videos where I share the best ETFs to invest in 2025 and strategies for identifying stocks with massive potential over the next decade.